It is the time to move on, start a new year, but hey there, how has you guys been doing in the year of 2021? Just in case you didn't hear enough, you are doing amazing, you're doing great. Anything that happened, it's all in the past right now. It's a brand new year. It's the time to start a new chapter. That's what I'm gonna do as well. So the first thing that I'm gonna do to start off my new year is by cleaning. I think that cleaning doesn't only help you to mentally prepare yourself to really start a new year, but for Chinese, I don't know if it's a myth, but we believe that by cleaning, you're actually throwing away the bad luck that you had with you last year. So that's exactly what I try to do, which is to throw away all the bad luck that I had last year. So after Christmas, I just basically busy with cleaning all the Christmas decorations that I had in my room, and then I do some cleanup in my room. And then at the same time, I realized that I had a paper bag that I left at a corner of my room, and I noticed that I put a lot of empty bottles, skincare product in that paper bag. I do know that why I do that is because I always thought that I would have a day that I do not a haul, it's like doing a videos on all of the empty bottles that I used up, but I never actually do it. So you know, the paper bag is getting fuller and fuller. This is why this portion of the video is going to be all of the empty bottles that I have in 2021, just so that after these portions of the videos I can actually throw away all of the empties that I had with me since last year, and I can actually feel like I'm a lot more cleaner, you know. Yeah, maybe not in a full length, but just a short introductions of all of the skincare products or makeup product that I finishes up in this part. So if you're not interested, you can definitely skip this part. So the first thing that I finishes up is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner. My skin is extremely sensitive, so I heard a lot of reviews saying that this will soothe sensitive skin, and I don't have any complaint about this. This doesn't irritate the skin, and it really does hydrate your skin. This one is the First At Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This one is a must-have in my skincare. I still have two of the backup, especially since my skin get redness easily. This one does help in soothing. If your skin do have like red patches easily, try to use this. I do think that this will help a lot. I can't find a better product than this one. And then the next one is the Eucerin Toner. This is my 5th bottle, I think. Whenever I try on new toner, after I finish that toner, I always get back to this one. I'm not sure why. I think it helped with soothing my acne. My skin don't really easily get irritated, and I don't really have that much of acne on my skin when I use this toner, so I always get back to this toner. I still have one that I'm using right now, and with the price range, I think it will be a good, like a drugstore toner. SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, no complaint, especially for those of you that want to do early preventions of aging. This is the skincare that you definitely need to try. My skin always feels stable when I apply this essence. Moving on, I have the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Creams. I forgot why I didn't buy this anymore, but I remember the times when I used this. It's really plumped your skin. Skin actually feel like it drink sufficient amount of water. It really hydrate your skin from the deeper layer of your skin. I definitely love this one. I'm not sure why I stopped using this. I mean, why I didn't repurchase this when I finished using this up. Probably because I have another one that I want to try out. Moving on is the, oh my god, this one is like full of dust. This is how long I have been keeping this skincare here, but this is the Bioterum's Live Platinum Essence, and I like this one too because it really helped with moisturizing the face. It also helped to lighten your skin complexions. You do feel that your skin is a lot more clearer the second day after you apply on this essence. Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extraction Toner. I heard a lot of good reviews about this one, but for me, I don't think it suits me. It's kind of dry for my skin, so and it also kind of like tingles a little bit. I'm not sure, is it because of the ingredient? So I don't see myself repurchasing this. Moving on, I have the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration's Oil Infused Serums. I really forgot how I feel about this one. I do remember when I first purchased it, it has 2 layers. The first layer is oil and then the serum underneath. So when you mix both of the ingredients together, it's kind of make sure your skin doesn't only provide moisture but also balance the lack of oil in your skin if your skin is extremely lack of oil and moisture at the same time. And then this one is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solutions. I freaking love this one. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, but this is the product that I will definitely repurchase. I'm not sure whether it helps with lightening the dark spot on my skin, but I do know that this one helps to prevent aging, especially since I am gonna be 26 soon. This is some things that I will repurchase to make sure that it helps with the preventions of, not preventions, but the delay of the aging process. It's something that I've been really worried these days. So yeah, this one is definitely the only choice that I will choose for the vitamin C serums. Now that that is done, it is the time to move on with the clothing that I don't wear anymore. When I declutter, I actually set some criteria for myself. The first being that, did I wear this clothes for the past year? If I does not, it has the highest possibilities that I'm not gonna wear this anytime soon in the near future. And the second being that, it's that pieces still my style, because you know, with 1 year range, a lot of things is definitely gonna change. How I actually like it fit on me, what is the style that I'm more going to. So if it doesn't really fit into my style anymore, it will also be pieces that I will try to get rid of. And then I just basically packed all of this and then I threw it in a plastic bag and I donated to the local H&M clothing store. H&M clothing store actually do collect old clothes, and they even give you like voucher for you to shop with discount. So I'm basically killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Not only able to decluttering my closet, but it also helped me to get a discount for new pieces. Now that I've cleaned the room physically, it is the time to move on cleaning mentally and really prepared myself for the new year. So to do that, I have a bullet journal. This is the bullet journal that I bought last year and I didn't finish using this, so I'm actually gonna continue to use this bullet journal. And the reasons why I love this kind of bullet journal is that it doesn't really have a specific format for you. There's a lot of times when you bought a bullet journals or a journals for yourself, it has already been documented with formatted bullet journals. I feel like it is a chore for me to complete that, you know, whatever in the list, just to make sure that I have actually fill in every single day. There are days that you'll be extremely busy, you don't have times to actually do your bullet journal. So I just got a bullet journal that doesn't have any format. So I usually do it month by month because I modify based on that specific month. You don't know what is going to change throughout the year. So I'm gonna start off with January of 2022. But before going with January, I think I'm gonna do a recap on the year of 2021. What I loved about 2021. What do I want in the year of 2022? I took some time to figure out what I actually loved about 2021 because it was a tough year. After I fill in like what I want to achieve in the year of 2022, I start to get a lot of flashback and recall in the year of 2021. I also fixed this timetable only for January because I don't know what will happen in February, so I want to do this timetable only for January. And that's basically complete these videos. I know a lot of people will think that this kind of like New Year resolution thing is really cliche. For me, I think that as long as the goal that you set for yourself is visible, is realistic, and you won't see this video very cliche anymore, it's actually a helpful guide for you to start a new year. So if you haven't prepared yourself to start a new year, do one bullet journal yourself, clean your room or anything, just to make sure you start your year beautifully. This is kamkambright. I hope you have a great new year, and I'll see you in my next video.